In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a text portrait as fast as possible. Hey, what's up guys, Dhruval here, and in this video I'm going to use this image from deventar.com. So if you want to use the same image, the download link is in description, so feel free to use it. Now, first of all, to create this effect, we need to cut her from the background. So double click on it and hit OK. Now it's a white background, so it should be a really easy job. So I'm gonna use my magnetic lasso tool and start selecting the border like this, and once you click, it will automatically select the border, and it does not, then use your backspace or delete key to get to the selection, like to undo it simply. So let's make a selection. So cool, we are good to go, kind of, actually. So I'm gonna apply a layer mask from here. So as you can see, it is inverted, so select your layer mask and press Ctrl I. Okay, now create a new blank layer and then select your paint bucket tool, where is it, and make sure it's a black color here and fill it. Now put this under this one. So as you can see, now as you can see, we have a couple of problems here. So to get rid of this unnecessary area, all you have to do is just select a brush tool, make sure opacity is 100%, and start painting with black color where you want to remove it on the mask. So let's start painting it like that. And on the borders, it doesn't have to be extremely accurate since it will be covered into text, but just do your best to make it, like right click and make it a bit harder and then paint. So this thing takes time, and actually this is the longest process. The parts take like only 2 minutes. So do this one properly and you will be good to go. So you can actually remove really complex background using this method. Just apply layer mask and start painting with black. And by mistake, if you remove this one, all you have to do is just paint with white color and it will be back. And make sure you are painting in mask, not on the image. So that is good, and we are good to go. So that looks fine, and now create another blank layer, and in the text, select the text tool. Now click and drag, so it will make a box like this, and that seems fine. Now go to type and paste lorem ipsum. Paste. Okay, it has done, but it's only a couple of words. So let me put it down here like this. Okay, now what if you don't have this option? Then just simply type some words or just copy paste from somewhere else. It's really that easy. So once you copy something like this, obviously you won't have time to type all this. So double click on this thing, press Ctrl C, and then click at the end and then press Ctrl V, and keep pasting it until it covers the whole face. And then keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it. It might put a little bit pressure on your system, but it will be fine. Now it looks cool, but here is the important part. Double click on this thing, and I'm using the font Arial, and swear to God, even MS Office has this thing, so don't worry about the font. Everything has this font. So once this is ready, click on this little box here. Now probably your text would look something like this or something crazy. Let it process. Might look something like this. So make it extremely small. You don't have to follow the exact numbers, but it should look small like this. Not a big deal. Now another important part is distance between the lines. So this thing, as you can see here, it is the distance between lines. If it's too much, it's not gonna look good, and if it's too low, it won't appear. So make sure it's around 3 or something like that. So 3 seems fine to me, and this is your distance between all the letters, as you can see. So also make sure it is not way too much or way too less. What was it, like -20? Okay, cool. And make sure it looks something like this. Once everything is ready, put this layer 0, your model layer, on top of it, right click and select create clipping mask. Your effect is ready. That's it, there is nothing else. I wanted to make it as short as possible, so let's go and create a black and white. It's just some garnishing, if you like to say. So in the black and white it looks something like this, and most of typography look really cool in black and white for some reason. So you can like adjust the tones here to make it look even cooler. And here is the fun part. Once the portrait is ready, let me shut this off and double click on it, and now you can like from here you can change your text size whenever you want. So now let's see, I make it 48, and so it looks something like this. And please like ignore the dog barking in the background, we have a lot of street dogs. So if I put it 24, it looks something like this. So now it's that simple, and you have endless amount of awesome outputs, and each one looks better than the another one. I don't know how to explain it. So that's it for this video, and if you want me to make more text effects like this, tell me in the comment section. And also if you really learned something from this tutorial, hit that like button, comment something, it helps my video a lot. Now if you want to learn how to create another text portrait like this but something different, click the box on the left. Or if you want to create someone's face just using polygons, click the box on the right. Also you can subscribe to my channel so that every time I upload a new video you will get an update. Plus you can go to my channel and check out more than 60 free Photoshop tutorials. So till then, goodbye, take care and have some fun with Photoshop.